Kevin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these little Woodix projects. So they're called Woodix projects. So first, what you need is, you need 4 of these pieces. You need 4 of these pieces and 1 of these. So first you need 2 of these. You put it down like this. Then you get 2 more and then you put it like this. And then you put it like this until you've got this. And then you put it like this until you've got your project. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'd really like you to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.